As you all know, 11 days ago, a Supreme Court draft ruling was leaked, which shows that a majority of justices at the time favor reversing the precedent set in Roe versus Wade and thereby allowing states to decide on the legality of abortion. Don't worry, the sermon is not political. It's Jewish. In a statement issued by the Union of Reform Judaism, Rabbi Marla Feldman, Women of Reform Judaism's executive director, writes, "The draft opinion in Dobbs versus Jackson Women's Health Organization outlines a grim reality for abortion rights. It is an affront to our fundamental right to make our own decisions for our own bodies, lives, and futures." The CCAR, the Central Conference of American Rabbis, the rabbinic union all of your rabbinic clergy are proud members of, issued the following statement. Until the final moment of a Supreme Court decision, Reform rabbis will continue to advocate for the preservation of Roe versus Wade. The statement also noted the CCAR proudly participated in an amicus brief submitted to the Supreme Court in support of the respondent, Jackson Women's Health, and of reproductive freedom. But it's not just the Reform movement. The Rabbinical Assembly, representing conservative Judaism, issued a statement saying, "Reproductive freedom is again under assault, this time from the highest court in our nation. The Rabbinical Assembly, conservative Judaism, supports full access for all those who need abortions to the entire spectrum of reproductive health care and opposes all efforts by governmental, private entities, or individuals to limit or dismantle such access." But it's not just the Reform and the conservative movements. The Reconstructionist movement writes, "Regardless of the court's ultimate decision, the Reconstructionist Rabbinical Association and Reconstructing Judaism remain steadfastly committed to advocating for reproductive freedom and the principle that abortion care is medical care and a basic human right." But it's not just Reform, conservative, and Reconstructionist Judaism. The Orthodox Union issued a statement saying an abortion may be authorized, if not mandated, by halakha, by Jewish law, and should be available to all women irrespective of their economic status. The statement continues, "Legislation and court rulings federally or in any state that absolutely ban abortion without regard for the health of the mother would literally limit our ability as Jews to live our lives in accordance with our responsibility to preserve life." Reform, conservative, Reconstruction, Orthodox Judaism, the four largest movements in this country, they all have different rationales, different approaches, but they all have the same conclusion. Abortion must remain legal.